Hello, I am back. So, in the last video, episode, whatever you want to call it, we made a bot saying how many commands we have deployed. Okay, thank you. Yeah, and we can type in a ping command, and it will reply with pong. So today I'll show you how to add options. Options being stuff like this. It's very simple. So we have a command like this, but let's make a new one. So to make a new command, we'll just make a new variable called hack command, because everyone likes hacks, right? So hack command, constant of hack command, because we do not want to change anything inside of it. Constant of hack command is equal to new / command builder, new line dot set name hag. Sorry, all lowercase, no spaces, etc. If I know how to type. To finish this, new line dot set description. Go on and hack someone, because why not? So we can test it just like we did the previous time, but we want to add somebody to hag as an instance. So what we want to do now is on the new line that add user option or X or user. This does not really matter. I'll just call it option because it's clear. Then the arrow. Then you make a new line and you type either option, and then you go from here, or you can do what I like to do is on the same line option, and then on the new line you add the dots. So for example, set name, you need to set names for options as well. So user, set description, the user you wish to hug. There we go. And now another thing that is not required but useful is, set required, I think it is. Yeah, this should be it. And with this, you need to specify who you want to hack, or you need to specify that the option needs to be used, needs to be filled in. So now we can close this with this bracket and then the semicolons, and that is pretty much it. And now I'll show you how to get the command and how to get the command, the options, and how to use the option to get the user. But first off, we need to push it into the comments array. So comments.push hack command. And now here, else if interaction.command name is equal to hag. We'll do let, because with let it will, well, to be honest, no, let's just make it constant, because we don't want it to be changed. So constant target user, or let's write it this way, target user is equal to interaction options to get the options, and then get user. And then in here we put in the name, which for us is user, as you can see. Close it. Now we can type interaction.reply. Then the cursive quotes that are next to the 1 on your keyboard. Excuse me. Yeah, no, sorry, this is fine. Interaction.reply, and then interaction dot user that username has hugged target user that username. I think this should be it. I'm not very sure though. So let's restart it. And it doesn't work. Add user option, not options. See, I make mistakes. Now let's restart it. 2 comments loaded, there we go. Now hug. And you see that we cannot run this without having this argument. So we do, for example, wolfbot And we have a problem in our code. Let's check it out. The problem is cannot be properties of undefined reading username. So what that means is it cannot read the property of user. So user is undefined or something like that. I'm not sure. So now we do that. I don't think there's any autofill, so that user... wait, this should be fine. Let's try this again. There we go. Simple as that. And that's our very simple command. So yeah, all we did is make a new command, same as that, add the user option to get a user, and then set the name to user or whatever you want, maybe Hagi or I don't know, just target maybe. Then the description, then whether you want it to be required or not. Then push it into the comments array. Then handle it. So if the comment of the name is Hag, which it should be, it's going to get the option, which is interaction.option. So get the options of the interaction, then get the user option called user. And so then we get our option. And the option is, because it is a user option, is going to be the user object which contains username. Or the same as here, this is our user object for the client.user. But here it's just going to be target user, and then we just use username. So then we reply with interaction.user.username has hacked target user.username. As you can see. And the vixen has hacked Wolfbot. Simple. Okay, bye bye.